Hi, this is Jared Dees from thereligionteacher.com. In the Catholic Church, we believe in the resurrection of the body. We say this in the Creed. We believe in the resurrection of the body. Why? Well, it's all inspired by the risen Jesus here. What happens to Jesus when he dies? He dies and rises again, both body and soul. So what does that mean for us and our beliefs about the afterlife, our beliefs about what happens to us when we die? Okay, so we believe, of course, in death, the soul and the body separate. We can see the body remains on earth, but the soul lives on in our personal deaths. What happens to the soul? We see the body remains here on earth. What happens to the soul? We call the judgment that the soul experiences the particular judgment. In other words, the specific judgment of our souls, of us. We die and we're judged based on our life and our closeness, our relationship with God, our unity with God, our grace from Jesus Christ. From that judgment, we are in heaven, in unity, further unity with the Lord, purgatory on the way to that unity with the Lord, or in a state of separation from the Lord and no intention or desire to be united with the Lord, we are in that separation, that eternal separation, which we call hell. But what happens after that? Jesus talks about his second coming. He's coming back. Well, at that point, the final judgment, the soul and the body are reunited, just like Jesus Christ. The soul and the body are reunited, and our bodies are risen, like the glorified bodies, like Jesus Christ had, are risen. And that's when we experience that final judgment that Jesus talks about, that second coming that Jesus talks about, in which he's going to separate the sheep from the goats, the people who loved him and loved others, and the people who did not and did not try or did not have any desire to love God back. That's what we believe in the resurrection of the body, that one day we will rise again, our souls and our bodies will reunite for that final judgment in which God will create a new heaven and a new earth of unity of both body and soul for eternity. That's what we believe, and that's what we express when we say, I believe in the resurrection of the body, referring to this final judgment in which the soul and the body are reunited and risen again. Go make disciples. God bless.